Hi, I'm Tom from 107. Today's the exciting part where we actually set up the campaign. You'll also see why we're called 107 because over the next 7 days we're going to attempt to get 100 visitors to your website and we're going to see if just one of those people will buy, and that will be a successful campaign. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you after the intro. So if we go into Ads Manager here and click Create New Campaign, we're going to start a sales campaign. And we're going to do a manual sales campaign. We can call the campaign anything we want. This is more for ourselves, so I'm going to call it FX Smoke Test. And an Advantage campaign budget. And we're going to change it to a lifetime budget. And we're going to spend £100. So now we go down to the ad set level. So we're driving traffic on our website. We're using our pixel that we've set up. And our conversion event is going to be initiate checkout, which is that custom event that we set up in the previous video. So the budget and schedule, this is where we want to make sure that it's running for a week. I always pick the next clean day that we have available. This is just for Google Analytics. So I make it start at a minute past midnight and I make it end at a minute to midnight the week after. This is just so we have pure data from our visitors instead of any time that we've spent ourselves on the site. Now for the audience controls, we're actually going to leave all of these blank, and this just gives Facebook's machine learning the most possibility to be able to target or find customers that should be interested in our product. Then we just select our page, because this is the page that your advert's going to come from, so FX on toast, and make sure the Instagram account is also the same. You could call your ad a name. At this point, it doesn't really matter. Remember, these are all just internal things for yourself. Then on Add Creative, we're just going to create, so we're going to add our images. So you can see that there's 3 different sizes that we want our adverts available for. So I'm just going to select all of these. And then I always choose the ratio that's the 1-to-1 ratio. And then I go in and change the, so the 9-to-16 ratio, which we've got there. And then also our 1 for videos, just to maximise our space that we've got available just for each of these placements so that the ads can exist. I allow all these optimizations because of why not. I think the more power you give Facebook's machine learning, the better. So here's where we have the option to add our headline and primary text. So we're just going to switch to our landing page and we're going to take our pattern interrupt. So our headline is going to be the ads headline. And our text is also going to be the our pattern interrupter that we've taken from our landing page. And I don't know if you could see that too, but the images also match. You can see a little bit of yellow peeking up. These text variants, I leave these, I don't go for that. I think it's just some AI thing. We changed the call to action from shop now to learn more. Because we've got this long form landing page. These info labels, because we're a new page, yours is probably a new page as well, there's kind of nothing to boast about in these areas, so I think that it's best to just turn them off, because you don't want Facebook accidentally boasting that you've got a page like or something. Like I think that, like, if 2 people like your page, I think it looks less credible than if you just didn't tell them at all. Then the destination, we need to go and get our landing page URL. I always take it from an actual live site just to make sure I've got the exact right one, and also as soon as I put it into, I will also preview the URL just to double check, and then I'll also do a quick little run through of the landing page just to make sure that all the buttons are working and that we can see in the tracking that everything is firing how we expect it to. With the tracking again, we can just see that the website events are coming in this pixel that we've said. These offline events, I always just clean these up in case. So I always make them match the pixel that they are with. I'm not too sure why it always tries to include other ones, but this shouldn't be a problem for you, but it's just something to bear in mind that if it is there. And then you just publish your advert. And so now, other than monitoring this as it goes on for a week, that's your advert and campaign setup. So thanks for watching. Now we've achieved the exciting part. You should have your ad campaign all set up. Over the next 7 days, you're going to see if just one person will buy. I wish you the best of luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, if you haven't, like and subscribe, and yeah, good luck.